Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is long overdue. It is going to be the last look with the final palette in the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, which is the Ring the Alarm palette right here. So this video took a little longer than usual. I had a situation with my computer. It ended up breaking down and I couldn't edit for a while, but finally I got a new computer and it's ready to edit. And then I finally picked up this palette because this was the only palette that I didn't have in the Vault collection. So I picked it up from Ulta and now I am sitting down filming for you guys and doing a look. So this is for those of you that actually have this palette and want to see a tutorial and look on how to use this palette. So I'm not really sure exactly what I want to do, but I'm pretty sure that I want to use this shade right here called Lolly. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with this Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer. I got it in this month's BoxyCharm and I really like it. I'm not one for eyeshadow primers. I usually just do concealer, but since I got this in BoxyCharm and I tried it out and so far so good, I like it. So I'm going to take it with my finger and dot it on my eyes. A little bit goes a long way with this primer, guys. So and I'm going to take this little brush, and this is actually a really big brush. I don't know why I'm using this brush, but we are going to blend the primer out. So now that we're all primed, let's jump right into the look. I think I'm going to start off with the shade Rush right here. It's the light orange shade in the palette. Use that as our transition shade. The shade is super pigmented. So now I want to take the shade Siren right here. It does have a satin finish, I believe, but it's very subtle, very, very subtle. So I feel like I can use it in my crease. I'm going to focus that product on the outer corner, keeping it low. And then with whatever's left, dragging it towards the inner corner. By the way, I'm using this crease brush from Royal and Nickel. It's a little more tapered, so it places the shadow a little bit more precise, but it's still fluffy. Okay, so to deepen the outer corner, I'm going to take the shade Framed right here, and I'm switching over to the Morphe M433 brush. Pack this in the outer corner to deepen that. And then with whatever's left, drag that towards the inner corner, but not all the way. And you do want to be really light with this color. It is very pigmented. I'm going to go back into the first brush and go into the first shade Rush and just blend out the edges a little bit. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Lolly right here, the first shade. I am going to wet my brush because I want this color to be super intense. And then just packing this, starting in the inner corner, and dragging it up, kind of like a half-cut crease, up until that dark shade. This shade is stunning. I'm obsessed with this shade. It is like a warm red, pinky, gold shimmer shade. It's stunning, stunning. So I'm gonna take this flat crease brush and I'm gonna take the shade Siren and blend that shade between the shimmer and the dark shade that we have going on. And I used a very, very, very light hand. I'm gonna go back in just to define it a little bit more. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this flat definer brush and I'm going to go into the shade Framed again, the darkest shade we used, and run that really close to our lower lash line. So now I'm going to go back in with this brush and go into the shade Siren and lightly drag that on our lower lash line. You want to use the very tip of the brush since it is tapered. And now to further smoke out that lower lash line, we're going to take our first brush and go into the shade Rush, which is the light orange shade, and drag that on our lower lash line just to blend everything out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm going to move on to blush really quick before we finish off the look. And I'm going to take this Laura Geller Baked Blush in the shade Tropic Hues. I've been loving this brush. I didn't think I was gonna like it very much because it kind of has like a berry tone, but it also has a little bit of gold and like light coral in there. I don't know, it's just a really pretty blush and it looks really pretty on the cheeks. So we're gonna put that on our cheeks. I'm sure you guys could tell I already had foundation, concealer, bronzer, brows, all of that was done, if you guys couldn't tell. But so now for highlight, I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold. It is absolutely stunning. I got this from a friend. No, I did not buy it. I know this is pretty old. It's been out for a while. I don't know if they still have it in stores. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure if they still have it in stores. But this is beautiful and I am so happy my friend gave this to me because this is my new favorite highlight. I'm going to take this little Target brush . You see how stunning this is? Obsessed. I'm also going to apply this highlight in my inner corners because it's a beautiful gold color and our lid has gold reflex in it, so I feel like it'll tie the look together really beautifully. And I'm going to also put some on my brow bone. So I'm going to put some mascara on really quick and then we are going to finish off the look with our lips. Alright guys, I feel like I want to put a liner on my lower lash line. However, I don't. I really want like a burgundy liner. And I don't really have that, but I do have a burgundy lip liner. So I'm going to attempt to put that on my waterline. Don't judge me. So I'm going to use this IBY Beauty Deep Burgundy Lip Liner as my eyeliner. I think it looks pretty nice. I'm going to do lower lash mascara. Alright guys, so for lips we're going to take this Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mocha. So this is way more pink than I remembered it. So I'm gonna see if I can put like a nude to warm this up a little bit, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs, is this a liquid lipstick? Liquid Lip Cream, and it's in the shade Yours to Try, and it's a really, really light nude. So let me see if I can make this work. This looks a whole lot better. However, I just completely covered that Mocha lipstick up with this nude. I mean, this nude on its own would probably been too light for my skin tone. That I mixed it with the Mocha color. It made it a lot better and it matches a lot better. But yeah, I didn't know that this Mocha shade was that pink. I remember it a lot more brown than pink. I don't know. Anyways, this is the final look. I really like how this look came out. The shimmer shade is absolutely stunning. Stunning. I didn't think it was going to be that beautiful. Like in the pan, it doesn't look like a crazy cool color like it does on the lid. It looks really pink in the pan, and then when the light hits it, it has that really warm gold tone to it. I am just obsessed with this lid shade, and I really like how this look turned out. It's like a warm purple gold pink vibe, and I'm digging it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look and you recreate it. Don't forget to tag me, let me know that you recreated any of my looks, and I will repost them and just show you so much love, because I love when you guys recreate my looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.